What's up, everyone? I've got a question for you today that's been going viral. It's labeled Only for Genius. But is it really that hard, or is it a trick? We've got 4 options: 30, 50, 0, and none of these. Pause the video right now, grab a calculator, and try to solve it for yourself. Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see what you got. Many of you probably looked at this and thought, easy, and started solving from left to right. You might have done 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 times 5 equals 50. 50 to 5 equals 45. 45 plus 5 equals 50. And if you got 50, you're not alone. A lot of people fall for that trap. But here's the thing. That's not how math works. The key to solving this is remembering a simple rule we learned in school: order of operations. Or as some of you might remember it, PEMDAS or BODMAS. The first thing we have to do is the multiplication, because M comes before A and S in PEMDAS. So, we first calculate 5 times 5 equals 25. Now our problem looks like this: 5 plus 25 to 5 plus 5. Now that we're left with just addition and subtraction, we solve from left to right. 5 plus 25 equals 30. 30 to 5 equals 25. 25 plus 5 equals 30. And there you have it. The correct answer is 30, which is option A. So, it turns out it wasn't a trick, just a simple test of whether you remember the rules of math. If you got it right, congratulations, you're a genius. If you got it wrong, no worries, you just needed a quick refresher. Let me know in the comments if you got it right, and if you have any other math problems you want me to solve. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.